वे वैदिक धर्म में लीन थे, विख्यात श्रद्धानंद से वे क्रांति वीर थे, विख्यात श्रद्धानंद से वे क्रांति वीर थे। Esteemed Chief Guest of the day, Vedic scholar Dr. Rajendra Vidyalankan, Venerated President Gurukul Managing Committee Shri Rajkumar Garg, Honorable Director Brigadier Dr. Parveen Kumar Sharma, respected Principal Shri Subhe Pratap, Honorable Administrator Shri Ram Nivas, other dignitaries adoring the stage, parents, guardians, worthy teachers, assiduous students, and my dear friends. Luckily, the weather has aligned with our best wishes, and I bid a very warm welcome to all of you. Today, I feel deeply privileged to stand before you to speak about one of the most aureate personalities of India's modern Renaissance. That is Swami Shraddhanand. He was not just a reformer, he was a monumental force who rekindled spiritual, cultural, and intellectual consciousness of a nation that has been weakened by centuries of stagnation or colonial domination. At a time when India was engulfed in social decay, superstition, and loss of identity, Swamiji rose like a beacon of hope. His life was a divine flame that illuminated the darkest corners of the society, restoring strength, values, and purpose to millions. Respected audience, Swami Shraddhanand firmly believed that India's future generation lay in the revival of Vedic wisdom, a wisdom that champions equality, rationality, and universal brotherhood. For him, education was not just transmission of information, it was an act of awakening the human spirit. He often said that the real purpose of education is to ignite the inner lamp of character and awareness. As an educationist, he was a revolutionary far ahead of his time. During an era when colonial education sought to disconnect Indians from their roots, he established the Gurukul system, which was a bold attempt to restore the holistic Vedic education. His education system was beautifully balanced. He harmonized ancient Vedic learning with modern scientific knowledge and physical fitness with intellectual vigor. He believed that education must produce not just degree holders but citizens of character. This ideal science took the inspiring slogan, जानकी ज्योति जले अंधेरों से डरना क्या, जानकी ज्योति जले अंधेरों से डरना क्या, गुरुकुल में संस्कार मिले, गुरुकुल में संस्कार मिले, उससे बढ़कर और क्या, उससे बढ़कर और क्या. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your kind attention please? He was not only an educationist, he was a fearless social reformer who challenged deeply entrenched devils with unrivaled courage. At a time when many trembled to speak against untouchability, caste discrimination, or social injustice, he stood tall and unwavering. He fought tirelessly to create a society grounded in equality, dignity, and mutual respect. Venerated guest, Swamiji worked not only for the propagation of Gurukul system, he also joined politics for the noble cause of India's independence. He Shuddhi movement. Honorable listeners, if you could lend me your focus for a movement, the Shuddhi movement was not an act of division but an act of restoration. Countless people were impressed and influenced by his work. Among such personalities are Acharya Devvrat ji and Dr. Rajendra ji, who are carrying forward his legacy with the same ardent spirit. Following his footsteps, Acharya Devvrat ji is firmly dedicated to the cause of girls' education, dissemination of Vedic values, reformation of the society, and cleansing politics from the corrupt practices. Dear friends, Swami Shraddhanand was one of the earnest champions of women education. He believed that no nation could progress if its half of population is uneducated and oppressed. In empowering women, he was not following a trend, he was creating one. His patriotism was equally remarkable. He saw the freedom struggle as his sacred duty, and even when his life was threatened, he refused to abandon truth. Honorable audience, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the authorities whose tireless dedication, day and night propagation of timeless values of Gurukul education across the nation. They are faithfully carrying forward the vision of Swamiji and Dr. Acharya Devvrat ji, striving to transform our country into a distinct and enlightened one. Their unwavering commitment is shaping a generation which is responsible, independent, and poised for perfection. Respected all, Swami Shraddhanand continues to illuminate countless masses and institutions, and one of such institutions is Gurukul Kurukshetra. Even today, his Gurukul nurtures students with values, discipline, and national pride. My dear friends, Swamiji proved that one lion-hearted soul can awaken a sleeping nation, and one life lived in truth can echo across generations. I would like to conclude by this poetic line. फ्रेंड्स। हमें नहीं चाहिए ऐसा सुकून जो कर्तव्यों से दूर ले जाए, हमें नहीं चाहिए ऐसा सुकून जो कर्तव्यों से दूर ले जाए। हमें चाहिए वह गरजना, हमें चाहिए वह गरजना जो सोए हुए राष्ट्र को जगाए, जो सोए हुए राष्ट्र को जगाए। Let this message not remain in our ears, but settle in our hearts. Let it guide our future, shape our action, and inspire our thoughts. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.